Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a data-capable USB cable and a working port. A cable that only charges will block transfer. Once connected, unlock your device, and when prompted, select File Transfer or MTP so the computer can see media and folders. Make sure the host OS displays the device in File Explorer or Finder. If it appears, you're ready to navigate files. If it doesn't show up, try another port or cable now, because the next steps assume the device is visible. Now you choose how to move files. Drag and drop or copy-paste works for quick transfers, and it's intuitive for most users. Once done, consider zipping many small files or using rsync/robocopy for large batches so you preserve timestamps and enable resumable transfers. While copying, watch the progress indicator and any reported errors. If a file fails, retry the single file or rerun the batch command. Make sure to keep the device connected until all progress bars report completion. To finish, safely eject or unmount the device from the operating system so caches flush and writes complete. Abruptly unplugging risks corrupted files. Once ejected, disconnect the cable and spot-check several transferred files to confirm they open and that sizes and dates match the source. If anything goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Switch to a known good data cable and a different USB port, enable device drivers or debugging, and reboot the device or computer, then retry the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.